Heated oxygen sensors, or HO2S, have been standard equipment in virtually all vehicles manufactured since the mid 1990s. These critical components play a vital role in modern engine management systems. Oxygen sensors measure the oxygen content in exhaust gases to help the engine control unit maintain optimal air-fuel ratios. This ensures efficient combustion and reduces emissions. The key innovation in heated oxygen sensors is the built-in heater element. This internal heating component serves a crucial purpose in sensor operation. The heater element operates as a simple electrical circuit. When current flows through the heating element, it generates heat that quickly brings the sensor to its operating temperature. The heater element brings the sensor to its operating temperature of 600 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit within just 30 to 60 seconds. This is crucial for accurate readings during cold starts and low load conditions. Understanding the heater element is essential for diagnosis. The good news is that you can test these components manually using a basic multimeter without needing expensive diagnostic scanners. In summary, the heater element in oxygen sensors is a critical component that ensures rapid warm-up and consistent operation. Understanding its function is the first step toward effective diagnosis and repair. To test oxygen sensor heater elements manually, you need specific equipment. A digital multimeter is essential for measuring resistance and voltage. Back probe pins allow you to test circuits without disconnecting wires. These specialized tools slip behind connector terminals to make electrical contact. Begin with a thorough visual inspection. Check the sensor and wiring for physical damage, corrosion, or contamination that could affect performance. For resistance testing, disconnect the sensor connector and identify the heater wires, typically white in color. Measure resistance between these terminals using your multimeter. Next, test the heater power supply. Reconnect the sensor and use back probe pins to measure voltage at the heater power wire while the engine is running. Understanding the heater circuit helps interpret test results. The heater element receives power from the ECU through a fuse and relay system. Interpreting your test results is crucial. Infinite resistance indicates an open heater circuit, while low voltage suggests wiring problems or ECU issues that need further investigation.